if you want to examine loose connective tissue proper, you can also use any section of the gastrointestinal system. In this case, I'm using the ileum, and what you have to do is just examine or zoom in the lamina propria or these areas in between the glands. Okay, so let's use a higher magnification. So at 100x magnification, you can already see that there are more cells than fibers in this type of loose connective tissue. So this area of the organ is called your lamina propria and it's composed of loose connective tissue. This type of loose connective tissue is composed of a lot of cells. You would have your flattened fibroblasts, but also majority of the cells would be lymphoid in nature, which means they are under the immune system type of cells. If you're lucky, you may even see white blood cells such as your neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, such as this one. I think this is a neutrophil. Okay, so the fibers in this area are very fine collagen fibers as well, but they are not easily seen in the section. But they are still there, but the cells are more numerous than the fibers. Okay, so here you can see your lymphoid cells. Another classification for this type of tissue, aside from loose connective tissue, is it can also be classified as diffuse lymphatic tissue.